Abruptly. The meeting ended abruptly when the union members suddenly walked out and did not return. Access. In some countries, most of the population do not have access to clean drinking water. Accessible. With its new ramps and elevators, the building is now more accessible to people in wheelchairs. Accommodate. Now that the theater has been remodeled, it can accommodate an additional 200 people. Adapt. Adapting to life in a foreign country is a big challenge for anyone who accepts an overseas position. Adhere. As a member of this organization, you are expected to adhere to the rules outlined in our handbook. Alliance. In a statement, the two airline companies announced they will form an alliance from April. Together, we can provide better services and smoother connections, said a spokesman. Anticipate. The police captain anticipated trouble between rival fans at the upcoming soccer match, so he increased the number of officers on duty at the stadium. Appeal. Working as a flight attendant and visiting many different countries may sound like fun, but the job can soon lose its appeal when you constantly have to cope with difficult passengers. Approximate. If you can't state exactly what the repairs will cost, can you give us an approximate figure to go on? Assemble. Although John had read the instructions over and over, he found the model airplane nearly impossible to assemble. Assembly. The parts for these VCRs are manufactured in Japan, then shipped to Malaysia for assembly into the finished product. Authorize. As the company's most senior representative at the negotiations, Charlene was authorized to sign the contract on behalf of the president. Balance. I didn't realize the balance in my bank account was so low until the ATM machine refused my withdrawal. Ban. Some workplaces have banned cigarette smoking completely, whereas others have merely restricted the number of places where people can smoke. Bill. I would like to join the Classic Book Club. Please send me the 4 books I have chosen and bill me for them. Bizarre. There's a costume party next week. Come dressed in the most bizarre outfit. The funniest costume will win a prize. Blow. It came as quite a blow to learn that our company would have to lay off workers in the near future. Boast. Even though the town is small, it boasts one of the best orchards on the East Coast. Brochure. We had a hard time deciding which resort to go to because every brochure we read was so attractive.